As the storm approaches this weekend, the winds are expected to shift direction and blow east to west.
Strong winds and heavy rain are expected, especially in the East County. CBS 8's David Gottfredson spent the day in Potrero, where crews are preparing for flooding in the recently burned fire zone.
The CAL FIRE crew has already done the hard work at the fire station in Potrero, filling up sandbags and offering them to the community for free pickup in anticipation of heavy rain in the East County this weekend. Flooding could happen in the Coyote Fire burn zone, where more than 400 acres were torched yesterday.
We do expect quite a bit of rain. We are fully staffed. We are staffing our swiftwater rescue teams for this event, so we will have that extra staffing available.
The fire crews are still putting out hot spots on the fire lines, making sure it doesn't spark up again. The wind direction is expected to shift over the weekend as the storm comes in and blow strong from the east towards the ocean.
For the burn zone, we're expecting that wind shift, so we're focusing on perimeter control right now and making sure all the hot spots are out around the houses. We do expect that wind shift though, so we've buttoned up the west side in anticipation of those strong east winds.
Eventually, heavy rain will move in, reducing the fire risk. San Diego Gas and Electric says they have no plans at this point to cut off the power due to high winds.
No, we do not anticipate any public safety power shutoffs for this, regardless of the high winds. You know, we do expect moisture with this. So we're in a good spot as of right now, but we're continuing to monitor it. And if anything changes, the situation changes, we'll make sure our customers are aware.
The more likely scenario is unplanned power outages from falling trees hitting the lines. It's a good idea if you have one to make sure your generator is fueled up in case the power goes out.
If you see a down power line, always assume that it is energized. Do not touch it, stay away from it, call 911 and call SDG&E.
The best advice is to keep an eye on the storm track and the forecast because the movement can change as the storm moves north. If you need free sandbags, we've posted a list of locations where you can pick them up at CBS8.com. In Potrero, David Gottfredson, CBS 8.